Yeah, now here you see. Just a moment. Yes, now here you see. Yes, first of all you see the first Java program which is going to represent a forum related, like forum ID, forum name, and then forum description. Okay. So in this class we created a constructor. You see form like a constructor. What is meant by constructor? What is meant by constructor? Here you see what is meant by constructor. Yes, I and Soumya. What is meant by constructor here?
It represents the same class name.
Yeah. So what is the method? Which method is having the name exactly equals to class name, right? Known as constructor. So here this constructor having some parameters you see, like forum ID, forum name, and then forum description. Okay. So what are the values we given for the constructor? Those values assigns into these private variables what we created in the class. Okay. Then after some setters and getters also you created, you see. So like previous examples. So and finally toString method is also created, you see, right? Then after we created an interface. So what is meant by interface? Already we discussed in code, right? Okay. So what is meant by interface? So interface represents abstract methods, right? So abstract methods is nothing but which is not having any definition. You see. So what are the methods we created here? Insert forum, then select forum. These are the methods we created but not implemented. So like you see, for insert forum method we are passing, we are going the object of forum class. That's what we created here, right? This is the class. Now this class object we pass it for insert forum method. Understood? And in the same way select forum. So for select forum method we given integer value as parameter. That means what we are going to do, or what type of implementation we are going to do here. Yes, through insert forum method we are going to insert some forum related values into the database. And from select forum method, we are going to get the forum or which forum details we are going to retrieve from the database. So that means some database connection related implementation we are going to do here, right? Like that we created two different methods, insert forum and then select forum. Okay, then this is the implementation we done here, you see. Okay, so what are the methods presented in forum DAO interface? Okay, those methods we are going to implement in this class. So what is the class? Forum DAO implementation. Okay, fine. Now here you see, we created JDBC template object, you see. Okay, JDBC template object we created. Then here we created set data source. Yes, what about this data source? What is data source representing here? You see. Yes, this data source object represents database connection related information. Let me show that what we specified here. So data source, you see. Okay. So what is the class we created here? This is a predefined class. So some predefined class given in Spring Framework, which is called driver manager data source. Okay, driver manager data source. So when we given some driver class name, URL, username, and then password, when we given all these details for this class, then it creates a connection here. Okay, it creates a connection with the specified database, so that we need not implement a database connection related code. Okay, so Spring Framework is given a predefined class which is called driver manager data source. Okay, so that class ID, so for that class we given ID here. That ID we given for this method, set data source. That means we are injecting that database related details into the object called data source. Okay, understood? Then here you see that. Now come for insert forum method. Insert forum method. So for insert forum method, we given forum object as a parameter, right? We given insert like forum object as a parameter. So what are the details already we stored in the forum object? Okay, so we are going to store all those details into the database. Okay, understood? Is it clear right now? Yes, any queries? Is it clear right now?
Chandra, where are we storing values into forum objects?
Yeah, that is from main method you see.
Okay.
Like this.
Wait,
So
can you once again show? Sorry. New forum.
okay, is it clear right now?
Okay, Chandra. Okay, we are sending values to forum class, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here.
So here you see.
We are passing
So
forum
here
object
we create.
also.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So here you see we created prepared statement object. So what is meant by prepared statement object? We know very well, right? So for prepared statement method, we given some parameters you see, like forum ID, forum name, and then forum description, right? Is it clear? So like from which object we are getting the values here? From forum object. Already we given forum object using for this method. That is which for which method? Insert forum method. Okay. So what are the values presented in the forum object? We are getting them with getter methods using get forum ID, get forum name, and then get forum description like this, right? Okay, is it clear right now? Hello, can you hear me right now? Sai and Soumya?
Yes, Chandra, I can hear you.
Yeah. So is it clear what I told you here? The concept?
Yeah, yes, I got it.
Yeah. So you see, like what are the values we got from forum object? Yes, those are inserted into the specified database. Into which database? Yes, that's what we represented with the database here. Yes, data source. You see. So here data source represents this database, Oracle database, right? So let me show. And in the same way, select also. Select forum. Okay. So when we given forum ID, okay, when we given forum ID as a parameter for select forum method, then that forum ID related details we are getting from the forums object. Okay. So here also we created a connection object and then prepare statement object. So what about connection object? Sorry. What about prepare statement object? What about prepare statement object? Can you tell me? So that's what we discussed in the JDBC concept, right? So can you tell me about that? Hello? 1 minute please. Yeah, Sai and Soumya. Hello? Hello? Yeah.
Yes, Chandra.
Shall
Yes,
I
sir.
take, shall I take the session some other time because I'm
I'm sorry.
can I take the session tomorrow, Monday? Because I'm having some issues. That's right.
You are having an issue.
Yeah, yeah. So
Tomorrow,
shall I take the session on Monday?
Monday. Yeah, that's all. Monday. Okay, Chandra.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry for the delay, right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Soumya. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. So we'll meet on Monday. Okay.
Okay, Chandra.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh. ఏం వర్క్ నా ఏమంటారు